discuss the procedure, but you cannot discuss your final answer because all of you will have unique answers. Okay. Any questions from here on? Anyone, please? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this pattern that you showed about MCQs in the long questions is this going to be the same for the term test and the final exam?
Yes, it's going to be the same for the term test and final exam.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, it's going to be the same.
Why do you get a 0 for the third one?
Oh, because you know or you don't know.
No, the one with the 3 X's.
Sorry. Because it's only one correct answer, two correct answer, or four correct answers.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Okay, so one, two, or what? 4. Okay, we cannot do 3. 3, I don't know how to mark. Okay, some of you say 0.25. Yeah, 3, I don't know. Does that make sense to you now?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Professor.
Yes.
Will the multiple choice questions indicate how many correct answers there are?
Say it again.
Will the multiple choice question, will it indicate how many correct answers there are, or do we have to just select and find out what we think is right?
Yeah, I won't tell you how many. So you have to select. So the purpose of a multiple choice this way is not just knowing the correct answer, and do you know when is this answer valid or when is this answer not valid? You get where I'm coming from, okay? Anyone, any other question?
Wait, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
So is it like there would be only one answer is correct, or there could be 2 or 4 correct answers?
Oh, so good question. So on this side, so this is just one example. I can have some question that have 4 correct answers. I could have some question that has 2 correct answer. I could have some question that has 1 correct answer.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I got it. But if you but the marking scheme would stay the same, right? If you select 4, 2, or 1, you'd still get the same amount of marks?
No, you don't get the same more marks. If let's say like what we did, if let's say if 2 is the correct answer, like we pick on this one, right? Right? And then you do this, then you get 2, right? You do this, you get 2, right? Then if you do this, you pick all 4, you only get what? 1. Okay? Then if you pick this and this, you still get what? 0. And then if you pick this range, you still get what? 0. Okay?
So is it that questions that have more correct answers are just worth fewer marks?
No. It's still the same. Okay? That is a good question. I've not thought about that. Okay? Right. So I don't hear any more questions. So now let's come to this part. 40 and 50%. What do you think?
Can you lower the exam?
Can I lower the exam?
And increase the assignment?
No! They are killing me, man. You know why I can't do that?
Why?
You know why I can't do that?
Yeah,
because
why?
I'm not going to mark your assignment. Right? You hand in, you get 10% already. So illegally, it's like you pay money to McMaster, you get 10%. That's so illegal, right?
Why don't you make it 15 and then 40, 45? Yeah. Deal.
Okay, I'll tell you this. This 4%, 4 assignment 10%, I cannot touch. It's a term test and final exam. We can move around. Okay. Why not I suggest this? Okay, why not I become the devil? Okay. So this, the higher grade. Okay, the not big enough. Sorry, people. Okay. So why not we do this? Okay. So the multiple choice is set already. What more important is down here, so I can get rid of this. So why not we do this? Okay. The higher grade and the lower grade. For either your term test or final. So the lower grade, I can give you 30%. No. 30% lower grade. The higher grade, you'll be awarded 60%. Hello? What do you think about it?
I think that's fair.
That.
I
think
that's good.
Nice.
I like
Is that
You got
okay?
a deal.
You got a deal, right? Yeah, but
Thank
this, yeah, you don't need those the bloody stress already. This is so stressful already, right? And then that is more stress. So the higher grade will be 60%. The lower grade will be 30%. Are we happy now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
fair.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, thank you guys. Okay, if you're happy, I'm happy, and we sign on it. This is our course outline. Okay. Right. So you all prefer me to write on the board or just use PowerPoint? Anyone? No
The
answer.
board is pretty cool. I like it.
Okay.
Use the board.
Okay, use the board then. Okay. Okay, so where am I now? Okay, so 60, 30. Good. Now, as I say, all the lectures will be uploaded on YouTube. I will tell you where to watch. Okay, but this video will be real shitty. I'll tell you that. Okay, because there will be a lag. I've not sorted it out yet. It's my fault. Okay, it's my fault. Okay, so let's. Then you have to watch me erase the erase the board. And you guys will have time to take a break. Right. So here we go.
Eugene,
Yes.
can you not use the online notepad that you used to use for the strength of materials the previous semesters?
Yeah, but it's too boring. Okay. If I do that, I'll try two techniques. Okay. 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 So I'm going to try this technique first. So the other technique someone said is, can I use there's a notepad. Okay. I could do that, but let's try this technique and I'll ask for a vote. Okay. So this is manufacturing process. So we are going to look at so manufacturing of products requires the understanding of what do we need to, so we need to understand the physics. Okay, if you don't understand the physics of the process, it's difficult to go into manufacturing. So what do I mean by physics? So the fundamental mechanics of the process. Okay, so you have to understand the physics of the process first, and then the next thing that you have to know, you have to also know the material science. So over here, material science, what do I mean by material science? You have to understand microstructure. You have to also understand slip planes. Okay. Then you also have to look at able to understand the mechanics, or another topic known as chemistry. So chemistry over here, what do I mean by chemistry? Is you have to understand how chemical composition affects manufacturing process. And then you also have to look into heat transfer. Okay, so how the heat, right? So you also have to understand heat flow in any processes. So it's not just one discipline, it's multiple discipline, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to ask you guys a question now. This class is made up of students from different departments. Okay, so we have students. All right. All right, where are you guys from? So we have students from as usual, mechanical engineering. We have students from chemical engineering. We have students from manufacturing engineering. We have students from material science. And our students are from levels 2, 3, 4, and 5. This makes the course very difficult to teach because you guys have different competency or different maturity in thinking. Okay? So anyone from any other department that I did not mention, can you please say out, please? I might forget some of you. I Biomed. Anyone else? Any other departments? No? Are you still there? Someone talk to me?
Yes.
Still here.
Yeah, we're still here.
Okay. Now the question is, if I were to ask someone to make beer, okay, which department will get to make the beer first? Anyone?
Chemical for sure.
Where are you? Where are you? Name, please. You're absolutely right. The chemical engineers will make beer first. Any idea why?
They're drunks.
We drink the most.
You guys are killing me, man. You know? No, you guys are not drunks, okay? Yeah, absolutely right. Chemical engineers will make the beer first. Mechanical and material science will make the beer last. The iBiomed students will find a cure for liver cancer. Right. Any idea why chemical engineers will make the beer first? Anyone?
Because I think they understand the chemical process and the fermentation process much better than the other engineerings.
No, nothing like that, man. Which course you take that you go into distillation of beer, you cheeky sod? Anyone?
We actually took a bio course in fermented beer using cultures. So we actually did that.
So now question for you. You took the course, did the beer taste good or bad?
Due to safety reasons, we just had to go to the beer store and drink that instead.
Yeah, or not you go blind, right? You cheeky sod, right? Okay.
Yeah, I don't trust the beer I made.
I like that. I hope you guys are enjoying the class as much as I do this and teaching. It's boring like crazy at my end, okay? I see no one. Okay, now. So I'll tell you why the chemical engineers will make beer first, okay? Not because of the courses they've been through. Nothing to do with the courses. Nothing to do with the course. Nothing to do with the course they've done in making beer. Mechanical and material science will make beer last. I'm a mechanical engineer in training. I'll make beer last. I'll tell you why, okay? So we look at over here, okay? Mechanical engineer. And those of you who are in mechanical engineering, I love you guys, okay? I'm a mechanical engineer, knows that, oh, that bastard, he's a traitor here, okay? I'm not, okay? So as a mechanical engineer, when we go into making beer, what will we do? Anyone? Where are my mechanical engineers? All of a sudden, everyone gone quiet. Okay, so when we as mechanical engineer, when we make beer, what would we do? Anyone?
We would make the machines that dispense it and brew it, and all the pumps. We would design all that.
No, we won't do that yet.
Figure out the needs of the client.
No, we don't do that yet.
Google how to do it?
Hmm?